What you working with? Yeah, what you working with? What you working with? Show a real bitch what you.
What's up? It's your girl Tiffany back with another video, and today we're gonna talk about what happened the other night. Hey, what's up? I know I don't have a bra on, y'all, but you know, but I know y'all seen that video I just put up the other day. So my salon suites that I work in flooded. It is a lot of water. Well, it was a lot of water. So the other night I got a call from the owner that owns the whole building of the salon suites, like, hey, you gotta come get your stuff because our suites are flooding. So I'm like, you know, okay, I'm on my way. She basically told me everything was ruined. So I didn't know what I was walking into. That video that y'all seen was the results of when I walked in the door. That's what I seen. I seen water coming from the ceiling, like leaking on my chair and stuff like that. Like, she had moved my flat irons, she said, out of the water, so it didn't damage my flat irons. I haven't rechecked them. I checked them when I was at the suite, but I haven't rechecked them. I need to. But y'all, I haven't been working for like some days because of what went on. Some days of what went on. Actually, just look for a new salon. I'm gonna be honest with y'all. Look for a new salon, but I don't want to go through all that, the hassle. So it's hurricane season in Atlanta, and our suites have flooded. Our suites flooded, and the ceiling caved in, which got me into my feelings because rent due, and I had to cancel all my appointments. Okay, so yeah, so now I need to go up there because I gotta grab a chair. I'm gonna have to do one of my clients at my house. I don't like doing clients. Let me put that in right now. I don't like doing clients at your house. I'm not, oh yeah, you can pull up to my house type of girl. Like, I done did it a couple times, but this when I was married. I had a male person in the house. Like, if something ever was to go down. Am I petrified? No, because stay with me, okay? Stay with me, okay? Period. But it's just the simple fact of the matter. It's just the simple fact of the matter, you know? One is like, damn. So now I'm about to go up there. I just text her and asked her, can I leave my chair and stuff up there because I ain't got no room in my car. I don't have no room in my house. I don't have no room in my car. And don't. So we gonna have to figure something out. I just did like something light to where I could just go up there right quick. My client supposed to be here at 10:45. It's like 10:10. So whatever I do, I gotta hurry up. I'll meet y'all at the shop. Y'all, so I actually just did somebody hair and I did it at my house. It wasn't as bad as I thought it was gonna be, but no, it ain't enough space. You in my business. All right, y'all. So I haven't came back to y'all all day. It's like later in the evening, and your girl did hair today at the shop. And I think I told y'all that I was going to the shop. I ended up doing 2 heads. I did some lock retwists, and then I did a ponytail. I'll insert some photos here. But it was okay. It wasn't. I wasn't in my suite. Whenever I go back up to the shop, I do need to go back to the shop tomorrow to like put my stuff back up. So I definitely will show y'all what I got going on. But tonight I'm just really chilling, doing my toes. My mom and my sister comes tomorrow, so I just really want to chill. But I'll see you guys later. I just wanted to touch bases. I'll see y'all tomorrow. What's up, y'all? So it's been some days. I haven't really been on camera because I just wanted to spend time with my family. I'm about to put in the clips. My family was here. They still here actually, but they leave today. But we went out to Marietta Marketplace. I think that's what it's called. This is a clip of us like eating. My mom, she had a shawarma. Chicken shawarma and fries. I had a chicken shawarma and fries. Malia had a buffalo chicken wrap. My sister Letitia, she had tacos. She had lobster tacos. And my youngest daughter, Braylon, she had chicken with fries. So, okay, so last night, I go to pay my rent. And it's another $600 charge on there. And I'm like, what the hell? You know, so I'm not paying that. Like, I got the corporate lady email. Me and her emailing last night. I'm telling her, like, that don't got nothing to do with me. That's not my fault. They done went back to a payment from my first payment for me moving here. They never cashed my payment for my apartment. They never cashed it, so it voided. When it voided, it came back to me, and my bank told me that it voided. Well, this was back in May that it voided. It is now September, y'all. It's September, and my apartment complex is like, you know, back in February, you had an initial payment that bounced. I'm like, no, it didn't. But see, I had my bank draw up something or whatever. So they like back in woody woo. So I done sent her the thing. She like, well, you still need to pay it. I'm not fucking paying that shit. We about to get the fuck out of here. I'm so tired of this apartment. Like, I promise you, when I leave these apartments, I will be doing a apartment review. Like, just telling y'all about this. This is like apartment from hell. Like, literally. So this week coming up, y'all gonna see me on like apartment tours, just tours to tour these apartments around. So cause these apartments gonna be fucked up. I'm tired of it. I'm over it. So yeah, but right now I'm actually about to go pick up my sister and my mom and my kids from the hotel because they have to check out at 11, but they don't be to the airport till like 1 something. So yeah, I just wanted to touch base with y'all because I'm at the shop. This is basically the aftermath of the shop. I put everything back basically how it was. So everything's back. Everything is back besides this. I feel somebody stole my shelves. Someone stole my shelves. These items go there. They're gone. But I actually made some more oils. So I'll show you guys the oils after I put them up. But they go here. I brought these pictures that were from home. This one was in like the this picture was in the dining room where my desk is. And then this picture was in my room. I'm not sure exactly where I want to hang them, but I know that I want that woman on this wall here. So I need to drill in the wall, which I'm very scared because I don't want this to fall. I got things are so pretty round this time of year. I can't ignore it. I cannot ignore it. Yeah. Mrs. I got things are so pretty round this time of year. I can't ignore it. I can only assure it. I've been to New York and I've been to Houston and nothing's better than you. Girl came to conclusion, yeah. 22 and you've been through things that you never should have ever been through. Who I got protect you when you feel what in danger. You know what I know, no new man, you know I'm not a stranger. You want to know what you comfortable. You want to believe it, you're comfortable. I know, no. I know, I can't let you go. I know.
feel like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. I guess I'm doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want? My new bitch look like Halle Berry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch frontin' like Jackie Brown. I wanna love but she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, get along, baby. In the meantime, stop for what I want. Just some me time. Hope you know what you want. Crib by the beach like Odell.
This is so crazy because this to me looks so clean, so nice. This is what it looked like on paper. But of course, I'm gonna explain it to y'all again. The labels are messed up. I made a mistake and bought clear. So that was my fault. His fault too, the man who printed them, but it was really my fault. What's what they giving? So
my killers don't tell. Shadow my mom got the New York to shelf. Now my bitch is to Chanel. Will you be my leading lady? I wanna coach you and get along, baby. In the meantime, stop for a while. Get some me time. I don't know if you know what you want. Only been a few hours but it feel like days. Only been days but it feel like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast. I know I've been away. Don't get my kid away. I know I've been away. Don't get my kid away. They just wanna fuck with you. 'Cause they know I fuck with you. If I put my trust in you, what will you do? Will you just step back? Will you duck it out? Will you be here to the end? I just wanna know if you my friend. I just wanna know if you can.
I'm thinking somebody done stole it. My shelves. I'm over here accusing somebody of stealing my shelves. Then nobody stole them. I misplaced them. I'm glad I ain't say nothing. All right, y'all. Y'all see me in the passenger seat because Malia is about to drive for the first time ever, and my baby is scared. You scared? It'll be 13 in 2 days, so girl, we about to let it on out. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is put your foot on the brake, which is this over here is the gas, the one that you can push down on that because the car not gonna move. That's the brake.
This one?
That's the gas. Push it.
Wait, yeah. This one.
You see? Okay. Now don't push that one when you. Okay. Put your foot on the brake. No, you only can use one foot when you drive, sister girl. You use the right foot. That's it. You can't use both. You will crash the car. Okay, so put the car in reverse. You got to push down on the brake. Okay, now go slow. Keep putting your feet on the brake though. You see, yeah, you got to turn the wheel. Put your foot on the brake. Put your foot, hit the brake. Hit the brake. Oh, Jesus. Put your foot on the gas. Put your foot on the brake. Oh. Let me see. Girl, you gotta put it on to the drive. Put your foot on the gas. Gas, baby. No. And there's cars behind you. So you need to.
At the stop sign.
Y'all. She done almost killed us.
It's okay though.
All right, y'all. So it is the birthday girl. Say hey, birthday girl.
Hi.
Say hey, baby.
Oh.
All right, y'all. So we actually decided to go to the Cheesecake Factory. So we're about to go in. We just waiting. We got a couple minutes. And I didn't want to walk around the mall and then have to rush to get back to the Cheesecake Factory because they said they only hold your time for 5 minutes. So we will meet you on the inside.
It's not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. Taking it away. Cheese, peach, fuel, and everything. All I wanna hear is on the visions that we play. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. Girl, today, really wanna just wanna get away. Sit right next to you.
Birthday, dear Malia. Happy birthday to you. Thank you. You're welcome. So, the Cheesecake Factory was actually horrible. The food that we showed y'all, we actually sent back our meal, me and Malia, because it was nasty. Braylon don't really like her meal, but I think she just got chicken sandwich so we could put it back in the air fryer. We ended up getting a cheeseburger, and Malia got, what'd you get, Malia?
A cheeseburger?
I got a bacon burger, but you got a cheeseburger. So, we on our way home. I rate the Cheesecake Factory, she rated a 0. I give it a 2, because the cheesecake was good. But okay, y'all, so I gotta go to the gas station, then we on our way home, y'all.